Hi guys, welcome back for another vlog video. Today we are not in Paris, we are in the heart of the Tunis in Tunisia. It's the famous main street, it's called the street of the 14th of January. In this place it was the revolution of the Arab Spring, and we are in this street today to share with you the vibe inside of this vibrant street in the heart of Tunis. Enough talking, let's discover. We was actually in the Medina. You can see the previous video where we bought some gifts for my friends in Paris, and now we will visit the downtown of Tunis. But here, as you can see, there is not even traffic light for pedestrian. You just cross like that, nobody stops, neither the cars, neither the pedestrian, everyone cross like that. You see, I'm walking in the middle of the street, and it's totally normal in Tunisia. There is a cathedral in the heart of Tunis. Actually, it's closed. Can't even enter. They said it's closed. I think it's permanent closed. And there they have this thing of I love Tunis. Let's go there to maybe take a selfie. This cool place. Yeah, everyone is taking picture with this Love Tunis sign. It looks very destroyed. I don't know, it's with the dust maybe. Yeah, let's take a selfie here. Yeah, we have here a statue. Maybe we can go from the other side to film it. But yeah, it looked like a war place with all those irons. There you have a famous statue. It's the statue of Ibn Khaldun, famous philosopher, I guess. It's really crazy how they drive here. There is, I think, a game there, or I don't know, animation. Let's cross the street. Yeah, same. There is no pedestrian light and nobody will stop for this pedestrian cross. And let's have a closer look what they have there. Oh, it's a kid animation. I think it's kids animation. I'm supporting Mickey Mouse. It's really good vibe here from Tunis. They have here, it looks like it's an exposition. Yeah, let's see this exposition. I think it's a book exposition. We arrived at the good moments here. They have an exposition. Here you have the map of Tunisia. We are in Tunis there, it's Carthage. And the towel that we bought, it was from here, from Janvier in the south. I don't know what this guy, he's getting paid for what he's doing. So many books. Not a big fan of books. In our channel we don't vlog about books. All the books looks in Arabic, so not very interesting for us. Let's go outside. Let's try to interact with people is better than interacting with books. I am very curious to see what this guy is doing. He's writing in Arabic calligraphy. I will ask him to write my name, maybe in Arabic. Yeah, it looks really cool. It's kind of street art, calligraphy thing. Yeah, you have here paintings. Famous personality in Tunisia. Yeah, that's it, I think, for this exposition. No, they are filming for the TV, maybe. It's like in Châtelet-Léal in Paris, everyone has a camera like that and they are doing this kind of street interviews. Yeah, that's the vibe in this street. Many people say that this street was constructed in the period of the French colonization of Tunisia, and they made it look like a small Champs-Élysées. Yeah, there is kind of similarity between the Parisian Champs-Élysées and this street of 14th of January. Especially those paths with this street, even the pavement, they look like the one in Champs-Élysées with the smaller size, but it lacks the decoration of Christmas. Oh, they even have some decoration of Christmas. Don't know if it get lighted in the night or no. But it look, yeah, like Christmas decoration, I guess. Yeah, that's Tunisia. Really cool, this street. Very touristic. And the exposition was really cool. Yeah, there is a lot of police in these streets. Usually a place where there is a lot of police is kind of safe. But yeah, in other countries sometimes it's not good to, yeah, like here they are saying you can't film, so sometimes not logic. They say to you here you can't film, but you're just in front of a monument, so you can't film even the monument. It's kind of strange. Wanted to film this monument, this guy on top of the horse. I saw many generals like that on top of their horse. And there we have the famous clock of Tunis. Maybe we need to cross to take picture there. We will wait for the green lights. They are crossing, let's cross with them. Also it's green. At least here they respect the traffic lights. We just arrived to this clock and fountain. Very beautiful, and you have a camera on top of it. Yeah, let's take a selfie. Yeah, I think we did this tour. I think we finished this tour. We need to cross to go back home. It's red and we're still crossing. You understand nothing here, you just follow the people and that's all. If everyone is crossing, you cross. If no one is crossing, you don't cross. See, now it's green for pedestrian, but actually you can't cross. You think they won't stop. We jump like that. But let's go to Central Park. I don't know where is it. It's this path. But maybe since we are here, maybe we can try some Tunisian food. Actually, this Africa is the highest building in Tunis, I guess. It's not quite high comparing to other buildings that we have seen in other cities. Oh, there is some street art here. It's really cool, this one. Street art in Arabic. Here you have graffiti. Street art in Tunis. Maybe we can do a tour of street art, but usually it's in the south, in Jurban. Yeah, since we are in the downtown of Tunis, let's try some street food. I will go for this fricassee. I'm seeing here a fricassee shop. Maybe we can take some fricassee. So Tunisian, this fricassee. Maybe we see what he has from the other side. Fricassee. Okay, we have our fricassee, let's eat it. That looks very tasty. So it's potato with eggs, with tuna. I told him to don't put harissa on top of it because it will be spicy. And this bread is fried bread. Very tasty. Yeah, that's it guys for this vlog video. We shared with you the good vibe here from the street of 14th of January in the heart of Tunis capital. I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you in another vlog video from Paris, from any other place in the world. Peace.